If you're a lady who doesn't like stress, then short braid is that braid that is ideal for you. It is stress free. Also, if you're in a weather that's hot, like hot weather like Nigeria, then you should know that short braid is something you can't do without, because it is stress free and it will help you to get rid of so much heat that comes with wearing very long hair. If your style is ponytail, or you just want to bring back that old braid and short cut hair combo, then this is for you. There is absolutely no way you won't look as good as you ought to look with these very beautiful, carefully selected hairstyles. Guys, just look at this fringe hairstyle that you can style any way you want to style it. This is something you should get. And yeah, we all know boho braid is that braid that is never going anywhere anytime soon. So this boho braid, you can also rock it in the short form. And the very beautiful thing about boho braid is that it gives you that flex of also wearing a coily weave on. You know, there's this hairstyle we used to call pick and drop in those days, and there's also this combination of weave on and braid hairstyle, and it's so beautiful to learn that this is fully back. If you want a very minimal extension hairstyle, then you should go for this two cornrow hairstyle. If you love it coily, then this is something you should go for. But one thing I love about all of these hairstyles is that they are stress free. It's not gonna be touching your body. You can do it to the length that you want to. You can slay without having to spend so much on getting these very expensive extensions. So tell me, which hairstyle you go for? Which hairstyle will you go for among all of those hairstyles? This one is absolutely beautiful. It's mimicking your natural 4C hair. So if you want that 4C hair kind of look-alike, then that is for you. If you don't want any hair to touch your body at all, but you want to wear your cornrow, then you should go for this style. You should save it as soon as possible. Do not even wait for it to just pass your screen. You can screen grab it, you can save it, whichever way. Just make sure that this hairstyle is something you wear. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.